Welcome to my channel. My name is Katie, if you don't know me, and today we're gonna be learning how to do some nice, long, voluminous waves. Today, we're gonna be using the Be Bella 1.5 inch curling wand. Is it still hot? No. Okay, thank God. So I bought this wand off of Amazon. I think it was about like $25. I bought it like a couple years ago when my hair was actually a little bit shorter. I think it was actually only this long. You can find this curling wand on Amazon. It heats up really fast. It does come with a glove. It has about even tempered heating. Sometimes with curling wands, they get hot at the base and then it takes it a little bit longer, but I've always noticed that this heats up really, really quickly. I don't use a glove just because I can't really hold on to my hair. Does that make sense? I don't know. I get burned all the time. Do I care? Not really. I mean, I've even burned my face, so it happens. Keep watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. If you want to know how I got this look, just keep watching. Okay, so let's get started. All you're gonna need is a claw clip, teasing comb, Kin Frizz Dismiss, leave-in oil serum. I pull from right above my ear, right here, and all the way across so it meets in the middle, and I clup it. I split down the middle and pull it forward. So I always use the Redken before I do my hair. I do like the tiniest little pump and I kind of focus it at my ends. It kind of serves as a heat protectant. Always use a heat protectant. Start from the back, then I pull it from the base away from my face and kind of just wrap it around. I hold it there for a little bit, I don't know, 10-15 seconds. Just don't burn off your hair. And I let it fall. And I throw it towards the back and I work on the rest. You can do it like a messy way and do like back, front, and all that stuff. That's actually really cute and textured. And then the same thing, when I go on this side, I wrap it under, but it still goes away from my face, if that makes sense. And release it. I have debated about doing this in like my kid's bathroom or in my bathroom, and then I was like, So basically, that's all I do. Wrap it around my wand and I keep going. So I'm gonna speed this up. When I get kind of to the side, I always wrap it so it's parallel with my head. Oh. That way the curls can focus on going back, like away. you feel like you need to touch up the back a little bit, I mean, might as well just go for it. Because you don't want to be that bitch that has like straight ass hair in the back and everything else is curly. Like, that's just not okay. My hair's gotten hella long, man. I used to have to wear extensions to get my hair this fucking long. Like, the fuck. If you guys saw me right now, I'm wearing a skirt because we're gonna go to dinner after this, and I'm totally sitting like these are my legs. Like, I'm just like, no one's here. I totally have my legs spread wide open in the skirt. My mom would be so proud of me. Ooh, this would almost be kind of cute if I had short hair. No, well, all right. No, just a little bit more oil. I use oil instead of hairspray or like a spray protectant because I feel like they get a little bit too crunchy, and I feel like oil is just as good as a heat protectant, and it still it keeps the style just as good as hairspray. And then up top, I do just like completely on its side. If anybody wants to know, this little piece of shit mirror that I'm using was the worst purchase of 2017. I fucking hate it. It doesn't adjust, and the magnifying part makes me really dizzy. And it's like at a slant like this, and I can never let it go just up like that. It's like, hate it. Okay, so there you go. Now we've curled. Let's let this cool, and I'll be right back. So we've let it cool, right? Here it is. It's cooled off. We're chilling. Lower y'all down. Y'all's light was a little too long. So now I'm just going to go through certain sections of my hair. I usually focus right on my crown and sometimes underneath. I'll just run my tease comb and I'll very gently, because then it kind of gives you just like a little bit more volume. And then I'll just go through and just back comb back here. See how it's already starting to look fuller than that side? And then I'll come up here. And then back comb, just like a little bit. Going to part it right at my crown. Sorry, like I said, my mirror is just a nuisance. You know what? I'm gonna move you over here. Yes. See, this is what I mean. This fucking mirror. Look at this. Why does it angle down like that? And trust me, I've tried to pull it all the way up, and it just sits there like a bitch. Now tease the comb a little bit. Tease the crown, I mean. Kind of run this. I run the side of the tease comb to smooth whatever is underneath. So I don't want it to be like frizzy, but I also don't want to lose the shape. Tease it. And then I just, and that's how I get my hair. Oh, and then maybe just like a little zhuzh. So, bam. Nice, voluminous, lots of body, flat, no movement. Lots of movement. Body, it looks thick. It looks like I have extensions in from the side. I mean, look. You know, this is all of that. So now we're gonna do the other side. That's it. You like it, let me know in the comments or whatever, and have a good weekend or day, and I guess I'll see y'all later. Bye guys. Mwah.